Yo, what's up? Here's the August 4th and August 5th trade recap. Hold on, let me adjust my mic. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so this is August 4th. We'll cover that first. So the first trade I took was on GJ. It was my strategy. That was not a trade. Perfectly. He tapped into London low. Got a reaction. I entered. I mean, it was my strategy perfectly because I didn't put the stop below the low. But that risk reward would have been absolutely horrible. So I decided to put it right there. But both would have got stopped out anyway. But yeah, that was my strategy. It just got stopped out. It is what it is. Technically a win since I followed my strategy. So there's nothing else I can do there. Then yesterday's trade on EUR USD. The first trade I took was a strong reaction down after coming into London high. And this was bad because this was not my strategy because we got a 5-minute close. So I should have waited for a break of structure then a retrace because that was technically a sweep and not a tap in. Then this trade was absolutely horrible because I just tried to take a trade to the upside since we weren't getting any reactions to the downside. But I got stopped out, and that was not my strategy. That was very undisciplined and emotional. I should have not taken that trade. But yeah, but here's the trade for today. Here's today's trade. So we initially had a tap in during London session, but that doesn't count because if it's tapped in and gets a reaction during London session, that's not a good trade. But then we tapped in again during New York session and got a very strong reaction to the upside right here. If I go to the 1 minute time frame, you can see that it didn't close bullish, but the reaction, hold on, look at that, the reaction was very strong. So I entered off that, put my stop below the low, targeted 1 to 2 risk reward, bang, bang. Easy dubs, great trade. Great trade for today. So yeah, that's all I got for these past 2 days. If I just keep following my strategy perfectly, then that's bankroll.